Hello guys, welcome back to the cryptocurrency world. With you here today is your favorite ICO revealer. I am the Crypto Hunter and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know that I'll be revealing to you guys today another great ICO. But before I continue, please make sure you note that I'm not your financial advisor. This is just my own personal opinion. The market is still very volatile and you might need to do your personal research before investing in any cryptocurrency project at all. And please make sure to invest an amount in which you are ready to lose. So the ICO I'm going to be talking about is the TV2 token. I'm sure you guys might have not known, and those that have known about it. So I'm going to be talking more about it today. I'm on Track ICO website, which is where I normally go to check for tokens reviews before I bring them to you guys for proper use. So as you can see here, TV2 is bringing trustless transaction and crypto wallets to 70 million start TVs around the globe. So basically, let me just quickly run through this information here. As you can see, it closes in 1 week, 3 days from now. The pre-sale, okay, the pre-sale has started and it has ended already. Meanwhile, the token sale started by 5th 24 2018 1 p.m. and is going to end by 7th 24 2018 1 p.m. And the country which this token is generated from is Germany. This is the financial platform. As you can see, this is Ethereum based token ERC20 wallet, and the token price is 0.035 USD, 0.035 US dollars. So let me show you guys another one on ICO bench, TV2 and crypto watching TV. You can also see here, this is the token symbol TTV. The price is 1 TTV to 0.035 US dollars. The platform is Ethereum and it accepts Ethereum and BTC, that is Bitcoin. This is the soft cap, which is 2005 ETH, and the hard cap is 25,000 ETH. Restricted areas is for USA and KYC is accepted also. Then lastly, let me quickly show you guys on ICO Guru, which also, I didn't show you the ranking. On Track ICO, TV2 has been given a ranking of 5.0, and on ICO Bench, it has been given an expert rating of 4.3, as you can see. Then also, ICO Guru has given to TV2 a review of 3.9. So I think so far so good, they are doing well and great. Then, since this is the introduction part of me talking about TV2, I would love to quickly get to their Twitter and so you can see how far TV2 has gone, what they've done, their tweets and their followers and the likes and so on and so forth. As you can see, I'm following TV2 on my own account also. Then this is a pinned tweet, which is a tweet that has been pinned to their profile. So any visitor that comes over just gets to see this. But I'm not going to be talking much about this. I just want to quickly go through what they've tweeted so far and what we should be expecting before I fully go into what TV2 is on their website. So you can see 20th Century Fox of Germany praised the result of the joint state E2 campaign on TV2 as tremendous. TV2 is working excellent right from the start. It's Ethereum, blockchain, and television. So I want to quickly show you guys something over here. Exactly, this is it. So they tweeted around July 12 about this. Does TV have a future? This is an article on Medium in which once I follow the link, it will take me on Medium, but I've opened it already in a new tab. I'm going to show you guys. So basically, TV2 is trying to give television a future. At least TV2.com Medium. Here at TV2, it seems like we are playing by our own rules, but we are not. We are working with available technology and applying it. So basically, what TV2 is trying to bring to us is trying to play around with technology and apply it to future for greater and more improvement in our technology. Don't forget to join our Telegram. This is for you to get to know more on their Telegram page. Then let me quickly run over to their Medium channel too. I'm following them also here. As you can see, they have 164 followers. And this is their latest post, which was also on their Twitter, giving television a future. So this is the feedback from the business partner, the 2017 Fox of Germany. And this is a great article. The future is now the TV innovation landscape. So having done all this, let's head over to their website so we could get to see more and talk better about what TV2 is all about, what is it to give to us, the benefits we can get from it, both the users. Okay, so this is TV2 website, in which I'll be giving you the link in the description of the video below. So TV2 protocol, deploying off-chain signature patterns and state channel technology to scale the Ethereum blockchain for tokenized video entertainment. You can buy TV tokens with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dash. The ICO is live. The soft cap has been reached, which I showed you earlier on ICO bench. Soft cap is 2005 ETH and the hard cap is 25,000 ETH. Meanwhile, the soft cap has been reached. And also, these are some ratings I couldn't show you guys, but it has been put into their TV2 website itself. They have great ratings on coin schedules, investing.com, ICO alerts, and so on and so forth. This is ICO bench, which I showed you guys earlier too. Then track ICO I showed you guys. And the confirmed exchange listing after ICO is Bancor, Trade.io, and IDES. So in case you want to follow them up on social media for you to know more about them, this is their Medium link, the Twitter, Facebook, GitHub, and Telegram. Although I'll be giving you guys the link in the description of the video too. So it's either you go through this or you go through the link in the description of the video. So this is the speech from the CEO Mark Snyder. I would love to quickly just brief about his speech. Perhaps that could make us understand a bit also, then I'll continue from there.
Hi guys, welcome to Frankfurt City. So this is a place where most of the movie magic in Germany happens. This is Fox in Germany. This is Mark Snyder. I'm the German CFO for 20th Century Fox. We invited today our good friends from TV2 after their tremendous test campaign for our Deadpool 2 movie, and in celebration of that, as you can see, I'm even wearing our Deadpool merchandise for you. And we want to talk a bit about, how we see TV2 and what advantages we see, and how TV2 is helping us, to reach our target group in advertising, which is that is working excellent right from the start. We have a very, very tiny video where we spent quite a lot, like 4 to 6 weeks in advance of the movie, and we spent it already compared to other companies that threw tons of money on TV. We spent it already very focused. Here we can pay right for the viewers which are watching our commercials, and this is a tremendous advantage, and especially for us, which is a company which is, as I said, focusing its spending.
Alright guys, I wouldn't want to make this too long, so I'm just going to pause this video and continue from here. So the link to this video too will be in the description of this video. Then as you can see, he was wearing the merchandise of the Deadpool 2. So TV2 has actually run through a test period of Deadpool 2, which has been shown in the cinema. That is the future of television, which we are trying to talk about in the improvement of technology and how we apply it to the future. So as you can see here, there are also some important announcements. TV2 announces movie industry giant 20th Century Fox of Germany as one of its first business partners. That is, TV2 has already partnered with one of the industry giants, the 20th Century Fox of Germany. So that is the first business partner for TV2, which is still going to happen with so many giants in this industry all over the globe, so that basically and eventually TV2 can apply what they've acquired from the technology into the TV to bring to us a better future for the television. We are excited to give the Trade.io community the chance to buy TV using trade token That is, they'll be given advantage to buy TTTV token using the trade token. Then also the Germany TV channel RTL is excited about using TV2 to advertise its shows grip with car enthusiasts. As you can see here, RTL channel is trying to advertise. They are excited to advertise their show with other cars enthusiasts, that is grip. So basically, that's why you could see their logo on this advert here. This is RTL logo, this is TV2, and this is grip with car enthusiasts. So you can learn more from clicking on this, which will take you to their Medium channel and get to know more about this. Then you can buy TTV with the TIO token, that is trade token. You can buy TTV. Then you can also learn more about this announcement, which takes you to them. So what is TTV? As you can see, I'm going to talk about what TTV is all about. That is the token symbol, but the real name is TV2. That is TV2, as you can see. So let's quickly talk about the platform, the blockchain, and the token. TV2 platform, a content discovery channel for smart TVs and mobile phones that personalize an infinite video stream with the help of machine learning. That is a channel with smart TV. As you can see, as I said earlier, we are trying to take technology, we are trying to bring it to the future. So we want to make everything smart. That is what TV2 is trying to talk about here. Making our TV smart, bringing a better future to our TV using technology. Then also the blockchain, we talked about the technology to orchestrate the new ecosystem with direct interactions between users, advertisers, and content producers. So this blockchain is trying to bring a great ecosystem whereby we have the user, advertiser, and the content producer, in which everyone in this blockchain ecosystem has his own benefits one way or the other from using TV2. And also the token, a custom Ethereum based token called TTV. The token for television will fuel the ecosystem while ensuring security and fairness. So this token being in your deposition can help you for the ecosystem for ensuring security and total fairness in the blockchain industry. But then this is the brief introduction which I'll be doing for TTV token, that is the TV2 ICO review. I wouldn't want to make this video too long so that you guys could get along with me and you don't get tired or get bored along the video. So please make sure you hold on to me and watch up for the next video which I'll be drawing for TV2. I'll be talking about how it works, the benefits, the roadmap, and the team involved. Till then, catch up with you guys. Have a great day.